Digital people.
Hello digital people. In this digital world, technology is everywhere. Helps lot in our personal life too. For example, To Do and Wonderlist are the best app for setting up your to-do list and reminders. Even they have integrated with voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, who can help you to add your reminders using your voice. Fine. In my old days, I used to remember the due date of our home electricity bill. My mother knows when is the audit will happen in my father's office, and I used to wait for a Saturday to taste my delicious food that's specifically served by my mother on Saturday. Though we have well developed logical apps hanging on our mobile wall, we're still missing the planner board that was hanging to remind us in our home. I'm not asking you to delete your to-do app, rather replicate your to-do app as a planner board in your home just by following the small concept. Take the cardboard and chart, draw a table with the 12 rows and 31 columns, write the dates in the column and months in the row. Start writing all your to-do and reminder in your color sticky notes along with your family and stick it on the chart for your brain to logicalize. What are the benefits? Yes, let your family know the due dates and of credit card and payments. If you have kids in your home, let them know the purpose of the days. Just look at your planner board in your home instead of bugging yourself in morning with your mobile. Hope you like this video. Here is the planner that we have in our home. Thanks for watching.